Hey y'all, back with another video. Woo. As I can tell, I am super excited. Today I am going to be doing an unboxing. Ooh, guess what it is? So I purchased me some HerNatural. Yeah. Shout out to HerNatural. These products are homemade, and they are, she's a black owned business, and you can find her on Instagram at HerNatural, and you can also find her here on YouTube, HerNatural. And I am super excited. Like, she's been doing a lot of advertising lately, and I was like, you know what? Let me go see what these products are about. So that's when I did my order, and I got it within 2 days. Pricing was very reasonable. So yeah, let's get to opening this box. So I actually got these products because I do have like thinning edges and stuff like that from over the years of like wearing like tight braids and, you know, like wigs and all that stuff. Like this stuff that was like bad for my hair, and it's been taking a while for like my edges to grow back and stuff. So I also want to use it on baby Z's hair as well. I might use a little on Zai's hair, but for the most part I plan on using these products on me and baby Z's hair. So let's see. I got my scissors. I'm opening my box. She's so nosy, y'all. Like, she want to see what's in this box so bad. She made it well secure, y'all. So these are how the products look when you open the box. So it looks in the inside. Say hey, baby Z. Say hey. So I'm going to start and show you what the products look like. So the first product that I purchased was a Rejuvenating Black Soap, Shampoo, and Peppermint. So it's for cleansing, moisturizing, and promotes growth. Y'all see baby Z hand on there. And then it has like HerNatural, Rejuvenating. Stop. Just telling you a little bit about the product. The product deep cleans the scalp, removes buildup, leaves the scalp clean, and hair feels rejuvenated. Shake well before every use. Avoid contact with eyes. Apply to wet hair, lather, and massage at the roots. Sounds very relaxing. The second product that I purchased was the leave-in conditioner with mango butter. I can't wait to try this, Mia girl. Yes. And again, it just gives you a little description about the leave-in conditioner. Apply to freshly washed hair, detangle hair, then style. Yes. So when I get done washing baby Z's hair, I'm going to put him some ponytails in. And last but not least, y'all, we have the what I've been waiting on. It comes in like this cute little pink bag. Yes, to the inches. And I caught my girl on her 2-day sale. This was retail price. I think it's like $18, the original price. But I caught it on sale for $9.99. So if y'all missed out on the inches, tell them if they missed out on the inches, baby, see they out of gas. See, out of gas. So this is how Inches looks. What I love about Inches already, I love this little squeeze on. I could just squeeze it in our hair. Herbal growth serum with Marilla oil. The only hair growth oil you will ever need. I know that's right. Yes. Rosemary, Peppermint. Herbal growth serum with Marilla oil. So y'all make sure y'all check out and support a black-owned business, HerNatural. Cherish her. Okay, girl. Her growth and strengthening oil promotes healthy growth, prevents dandruff and itch stimulation, and nourishes hair follicles. Use daily. Massage scalp, hot oil treatment, or pre-poo. Shelf life is 12 months. So what I am about to get ready to do, I am about to take Baby Z's hair down. Says she's gonna take my hair down, and we about to wash his hair, and I will put a clip of me washing his hair. I pretty much have everything I need. I have my shampoo, my leave-in, and then I also have the oil. And when I get done, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all what his hair looks like, so y'all can see his before with his little braids in.
After Baby, then it's my turn.
And then after I get done, I'm going to put some Inches throughout Zai's locks. And I'll put some throughout my hair once I take my style down. So yeah, y'all, this video is not sponsored. All the products were purchased with my own money. So I'm just going to give you guys a honest review. Let you guys know what I think about the product once I use it. So y'all stay tuned. So I am getting ready to wash Baby Z's hair using my HerNatural. So let's jump into this video. So this is how his hair looks after the wash. It smells really good, like peppermint. It smells really good. Hair feels really soft now. And then I'm gonna go in with my HerNatural leave-in conditioner, mango butter. This time, open it. First wash using HerNatural products. Hair smells pretty good. Smells natural, minty. You like it? You like HerNatural?
Yeah.
Yes. Say yes to the HerNatural.
Yeah.
He said yeah, Mia. He like it. Say bye, guys. Until next time. Tell them bye. Tell everybody bye. Tell them bye. Until next time. Say bye. Tell them bye.